Good evening, you're watching your update on the weather. My name is Ice Martinez and here's the latest. We are closely monitoring two tropical cyclones within the Philippine area of responsibility. A new tropical cyclone had developed earlier today and it was locally named Sara. Tropical depression Sara was last spotted at about 630 kilometers east-northeast of Borongan, eastern Samar, packed with winds reaching up to 55 kilometers per hour and gustiness reaching up to 70 kilometers per hour. Now, based on the initial forecast of our local weather bureau, it is forecasted to sweep through northern Luzon again, and that is expected in 3 to 4 days. Based on initial forecast, we will continue to closely monitor developments. Now, heading on to our update on tropical cyclone Ramon, it is currently typhoon category and packed with winds reaching up to 120 kilometers per hour and is expected to close in Babuyan group of islands. Now, signal number 3 was hoisted still over northern section of Cagayan, meaning gusty winds reaching up to 120 kilometers per hour may be experienced over these areas in Cagayan province, and wave heights may reach up to 14 meters. Now, according to the local weather bureau, residents are alerted against possible landslides, especially over the sections of a Cordillera region. Now, signal number 2 was hoisted over Batanes, Apayao, Kalinga, Abra, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, and the rest of Cagayan as well. And this means gusty winds may be experienced, and that's about 61 to 120 kilometers per hour. According to PAGASA as well, fisher folks and large sea vessels are advised not to venture out into the seaboards of western and eastern and northern Luzon as well, and also alerted against possible storm surge this evening over portions of Ilocos region. Now, signal number 1 was also hoisted over a northern section of Isabela, meaning gusty winds may reach up to 30 to 60 kilometers per hour starting this evening until tomorrow early morning. Now, heading on to the rain forecast of tropical cyclone Ramon, we shall experience moderate to heavy rain showers over most parts of northern Luzon. That includes Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Apayao, and Kalinga, as well as Isabela and Cagayan area, most especially portions of a Babuyan group of islands. You can see the red and yellow areas right there. Now, this tropical cyclone, which is Sara, also closing in Luzon, has no direct effect yet over the archipelago and over the next few days. Now, again, Typhoon Ramon was last spotted at about 100 kilometers east of Calayan, Cagayan. Based on our updated tropical cyclone forecast track, Typhoon Ramon is expected to make landfall over Babuyan Islands anytime this evening until tomorrow morning and sweep through as a typhoon over northern section of Cordillera and the sections of Ilocos region as well. Now, it is expected to exit landmass tomorrow afternoon as a tropical storm, and it is expected to weaken further when it exits the Philippine area of responsibility on Thursday as a low pressure area. Now, heading on to our metro cities forecast. Metro Manila, meanwhile, will enjoy fair weather condition along with Metro Cebu and Metro Davao. Possible highs is at 32 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius over Metro Davao, and possible localized thunderstorms later in the day. Now, for those of you planning your days ahead, here's our 3-day forecast in some key cities. And that's the latest for now, only here on PTV INFO WEATHER. This has been Ice Martinez. Have a good evening.